All right, I know that some of you started watching this channel because you wanted to see this flip in particular, and I apologize that I have not done anything with it yet, but it's such a daunting project that I didn't know where to start. But I am getting after it now. Ezzy and I pressure washed this side. This is what it did look like. So that kind of gives you an idea where this thing's going. You know, it's going to be like any project. Basically, you can only do one step at a time, one day at a time, one thing at a time, and you can't get overwhelmed by the sheer mass. And just, I mean, this, everything just needs to be redone. The rust on the trailer, the wheels, the gel coat, the bimini top's broken. I mean, the engine, the pulleys, the starters, the solenoid, the distributors, everything that basically you can switch on an engine basically is going to have to be switched out on this thing. But like I said, there's just one way to do it, that is get after it. So, all right, as the boat has been sitting up this winter, this is what its current condition is in. This is what it looks like. So the engine's partly covered by this board and partly covered by this bimini tap. Things were still getting wet on in here, as you can imagine, the wind coming in sideways and stuff. But anyway, the first step is going to be get it cleaned out. So here's your before. Basically everything has been removed, and now I'm gonna get the shop vac in here, try and get rid of these leaves, and then I'm gonna get the pressure washer in here. All right, check it out. I was going through the cubby holes and I found some of this guy's old stuff. I guess the old owner, Kawasaki Eyewear, never even heard of such thing. Apparently he was kind of blind and he was full of himself. Our captain is always right. Misinformed, perhaps, sloppy, crude, bullheaded, fickle, even stupid, but never wrong. So I'm guessing his wife, sassy wife, bought him this or something. Fuses, little locks, light bulbs, all sorts of stuff that's corroded and gross that we'll never use. We're just gonna...
If I want it, gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying ability. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure.
Alright, so here's the after shot after everything's been vacuumed before pressure washing. The engine after pressure washing. Anyway, up here it came pretty clean, and all around the vinyl and stuff on the sides is looking pretty decent. The seats still need to be recovered, there's no doubt about it, but I hit them with the pressure washer just because if I'm showing this thing, it just might make it show slightly better. Anyway, obviously all the work still left to be done on the engine, but so far at least we can see the engine. Alright, this is the only boat that I've ever owned that I've ever had to use a ladder on. Alright, as you can see what an incredible difference pressure washing makes. I just wanted to thank y'all for watching me wash the boat today. This is really the first step in many to come of getting this thing fixed and making this a successful flip.